guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to open the Fisher-Price Little People Animal Rescue. So here's the toy, and over here is the adoption center. It has a little puppy outside, and the door can open and close so you can go inside the adoption center.
And this is all down, up, down.
Very cool. And over here we have a red fire truck.
And look what happens.
The ladder can go up and down.
And the best part yet.
Oh, is this where the helicopter lands? Let's spin that and push that button. And open the doors for the fire truck. Can you spin this again? Show the friends here. Wow. And then here we have a
Fireman.
and a girl. And here, up here we have a tree with a,
Kitty cat.
yeah, that's awesome.
Kitty cat stuck in the tree.
Yeah, and so I think the fire truck has to go get the cat. Right? Alright, let's flip the box around, show the back side.
This is what it looks like on the bottom.
Alright, let's see what it looks like from the back. So you can rescue this puppy and kitty, shows kids how to care for our animal friends. So over here you can zoom off to rescue kitty, fly away to save the day. There goes the helicopter to the rescue. And take good care of animals by starting to give a good clean bath.
And these are all the things that we have on the bottom.
Yeah, so I guess you can connect with other toys. So there's a farmhouse, a restaurant, it's like a school, a fire truck station, and a playground. All right, so we're gonna open up this toy and see what's inside.
Yeah.
All right, we're back. Here's the toy now. That's out of the box. So let's play now. Uh-oh, the cat's in the tree. We need a fire truck to come rescue it.
Here I go, Kitty. You cute little kitty. I'm gonna rescue you.
Oh, it has a ramp. All right, go to the tree.
Here, kitty. Here, kitty. Oh no, my line is flat.
Oh no.
Meow, meow, meow.
The cat's stuck on top of the roof. Do we need the helicopter? I think we need the little girl to come rescue their friend. Okay, can I go up to my helicopter?
Meow.
Let's spin this. Don't worry, kitty cat. We're coming to rescue you.
Meow.
Oh my goodness, we have a jumper.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Oh, I fell out.
Meow.
This is a sneaky little kitty cat.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Whoops, sorry.
Meow. 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 Meow.
go to the adoption center. Boo. Boo. Peekaboo. Target. Alright. Should we say bye to our friends?
Bye.
Okay, let's line them up.
Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.